Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today with a remake of my last sharpness test. On my first try, I placed both cameras half meter away from the target. The Insta360 One R has a focal distance of 1 meter. So the images were out of focus. This time we placed the cameras at least 1 meter away from the board. Let's see the results. In this first images, cropped into 350%, you may see some advantage in sharpness for the Insta360. But besides sharpness, I think there is something else visible here. Both images were shot under the same light conditions. On the Hero 8 the images are darker and with a significant amount of noise. On the Insta360 the images have more light, not strange, thanks to the 1-inch sensor. As you may see here again, the Insta360 has a small advantage when it concerns to sharpness. The point with the light leaves me curious about the low light test coming soon.